Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this mouth-watering socks. These vegetables are so amazing. My husband was tired of eating his white rice with stew, so I decided to prepare this for him. So yummy and delicious. Stick to this video to the end and don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's dive into the video. For these vegetable socks, you need your yellow pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrot, spring onion, ginger, garlic, normal pepper, that's tarudo or whatever you call yours, and your soy sauce and chicken. So I've already washed all my veggies. Right now I'll start cutting them. Before now I've already washed my chicken and I sauced it with my own particular spice, the spice I normally use. So feel free to use yours, but my thyme, my curry, my beni, and I also added some salt and seasoning cubes. So feel free to add whatever spice you love to add in your chicken. Feel free to just do that. So I'm going to cut all my veggies when they are ready and we'll continue. After saucing your chicken, feel free to leave it in your freezer or fridge for some hours before use. But if you're cooking it there before, you can also go ahead to sauce it and leave it overnight. It's still pretty good and fine. Okay, I'll continue. In a clean pot, add in your chicken. And you add some onions, you add some pepper, ginger and garlic paste, and you allow it to steam. The chicken will release its juice, or you call it stock. That will be enough for it to be cooked, but if yours is not enough, you can go ahead and add a little water. But you can see mine is more than enough, so I'll be removing it. I don't want to cook the chicken for a long time, so I'll be removing it. I need to fry it just a little. My husband loved fried chicken so much, so you can also cook it direct with this chicken this way, but I feel like frying it just a little bit before I continue. Okay, I'm done frying. I'll add a little oil to my frying pan and I'll add all my veggies. There's the bell peppers, yes, the red, green and yellow bell peppers. I'll add them immediately and I'll go ahead to add the carrots. Right now I was a bit confused if the frying pan will carry everything. Yes, will have carry all everything I've already prepared for the sauce. I added my chicken, but I was not pleased, so I have to get a bigger pot and pour out every into the bigger pot. But yet I was still not comfortable because as in I don't like the I just don't like the picture I'm getting, so I have to allow. I added a little soy sauce. This soy sauce, please, if you're getting soy sauce, make sure you go for the darker one. I'm adding more pepper to it. Add pepper as you want. Right now, feel free to text. You add in your stock. Yes, immediately you add your stock, please text and know whether to adjust your Maggi or your seasoning cubes or your salt or anything. Just text, or even the pepper. So text if you're cool, you can go ahead. I wasn't comfortable with the bigger pot, so I have to pour it back on my frying pan. So here is my sauce. We'll continue cooking. So I'll stir a little and allow it to cook. So the next thing I'll be adding is my cornstarch. Please dissolve with water. Very important to break out any lumps. So and go ahead to add. You stir it. This cornstarch helps to bind it and make it look so thick. Please, it's important, if it's looking too thick, add water. So right now, lastly, I'll be adding my spring onion. Well, main looking at my sauce is looking so thick, so I need to add at least extra little water. If you are new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscriber, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. I also bake and decorate cake, so feel free to subscribe. You will not regret it. Subscription is free. You can see how delicious our sauce is looking, so beautiful and yummy. Don't forget to like this video. Wow, this is looking so delicious.